Siguro yun na nga yung Rizal Stadium, no? Hindi ko masyadong nadama dahil ang daming nangyari, but that is one of the biggest milestones. That's very hard to repeat. And I think it's hard to match, no, na may nagpaalala sa akin ilang taon lang ako then. I think I was only 16 or 17. So that's definitely, it has to be #1 in the list. And ang maganda doon, I was so young, hindi ko na-realize yung how huge it was, no? Because nga napakabata ako. Ngayon nagsisisi ako, sabi ko sana ninamnam ko siya talaga, di ba? Kasi ang dami ring nangyari noon. Yung first noon, I have to thank, again, I always thank Direk Fritz Infante for really mentoring me, no? Siya yung director ko doon. So all those things happened through his help, also his confidence in me. But isa na yun sa top of my list. And parang hindi na yata yun ulit nangyari na solo. Again, at my age that time.
And then you're the